Hey there, future wordsmith tycoons! Did you know that your passion for writing could turn into a paycheck on Medium.com? Yes, that place where you go to read deep think pieces, how-to guides, and maybe a few Dear Diary posts. What if I told you that you don't need a degree in literature, a million followers, or even the next bestseller idea to start earning money with Medium? You just need a knack for storytelling and a little strategy. Oh, and an internet connection. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because I'm here to show you how to earn smartly and creatively. And let's be real, missing out on these tips is basically leaving free money on the table. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Join the Medium Partner Program. The quickest way to make money on Medium is by joining their partner program. Here's how it works. Medium pays you based on how much time paying members spend reading your articles. The more people read, the more you earn. It's like Netflix royalties for your writing. Don't worry, you don't have to write War and Peace to earn. Bite-sized, engaging articles work just as well. Focus on trending topics like productivity hacks, personal growth, or juicy industry secrets. Everyone loves a how I quit my job and earned 6 figures story. 2. Write what people are searching for. Medium isn't just a blog, it's a search engine goldmine. To get paid, you need eyeballs on your posts. Write about topics people are actively searching for. Use tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to find popular questions. Then pair your expertise with these trends to create irresistible articles. Instead of writing my thoughts on yoga, try 10 yoga hacks to improve flexibility in 10 minutes a day. People don't click for your thoughts. They click because you just promised them stretchy enlightenment. 3. Repurpose content. You've already created. If you've got an old blog, a podcast, or even Instagram captions lying around, don't let them gather dust. Repurpose them for Medium. Take that how-to guide you wrote 2 years ago and give it a fresh spin. Medium loves personal stories with actionable advice, so tweak it to resonate with their audience. Make your articles scannable with headers, short paragraphs, and bolded text. The easier it is to read, the longer people will stay. 4. Use Medium as a launchpad for bigger opportunities. Medium doesn't just pay you directly. It can open doors to freelance gigs, book deals, and speaking engagements. Think of your articles as your portfolio. Write niche-specific content to establish yourself as an expert. At the end of your posts, add a call to action like, "Need help with marketing? Let's connect." There are writers who've turned their Medium articles into full-blown careers. One viral post and suddenly clients are sliding into your inbox. 5. Monetize with affiliate marketing. Another way to earn is by embedding affiliate links into your Medium articles. Just make sure they're relevant and add value. If you're writing a piece on productivity, recommend tools like Notion or Grammarly and include your affiliate links. Think of it as sprinkling money seeds in your article. Plant them wisely and watch them grow. But don't overdo it. Medium's readers are sharp and hate spammy pitches. 6. Create premium content. Not every gem needs to be free. Medium allows you to put some of your articles behind a paywall. Members need a subscription to read them, and you get paid based on the time they spend devouring your brilliance. Save your most valuable insights for paywalled content, and tease readers with a killer intro to hook them in. Test different topics to see what people are willing to pay for. Spoiler alert, actionable guides and deep dive analyses perform really well. 7. Build a community and drive. Traffic Medium is also a social platform, so engaging with other writers and responding to comments can help grow your readership. Leave thoughtful comments on articles in your niche, and share your Medium posts on Twitter, LinkedIn, or wherever your audience hangs out. Think of it as networking, but you can do it in pajamas and without awkward small talk. And there you have it, 7 solid ways to make money on Medium. From writing binge-worthy content to building a loyal following, the opportunities are endless. Now don't just sit there. Grab your keyboard and start typing your way to a paycheck. But before you go, smash that subscribe button, because trust me, you don't want to miss out on more creative ways to earn. Let's turn your words into wealth. Catch you in the next one, champs!